Gator said, would you go away? Oh. Ooh, that was a growl from Gator. Yeah, Gator hadn't used claws. She's popping her on the head, but she's not using claws. What's the matter? Go get him. Get him. He's right there. Uh-oh, there she goes. Gator says that was mean. She finally sat down a minute. Uh-oh, that was a hiss. She's not hurting you. She's after your tail, though. Gator said, I can't decide if she's playing or not. Don't pee on the welcome mat. Allie, that's just bad manners. No, don't. Oh, never